What it do, crew? What it do, YouTube? You know who it is. It's the Only Carter back. We got a new video, and I'm not gonna do much talking, but I want to let you guys know happy Friday, and I'm gonna give you guys a POV, and I'm gonna be unboxing a collaboration from LASFIT. I got the package with me right now. They finally shipped it to me. I got new floor mats. So what's in today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing, and I'm gonna be giving you guys a review. And I'm gonna give you guys a POV drive. It's just gonna be a calm little POV drive. I was gonna go out to like either Richmond or Yorktown to give the POV, but I did have a quiz I had to take an hour ago. So I'm like, you know what? Might as well just do it now. In the Hampton area. You know, as you can see, it is gray and black today, so nothing much. Okay, as you guys can see, that I'm about to unbox it real quick. So we're gonna just do it out here. I didn't want to do it at my crib because it's too loud over there. Gonna get that started. Gonna take out these floor mats real quick. Let's do this now before we open it. Man, I gotta clean out my car again. Hey, if these floor mats sweet, then I might just keep these instead. And then I'm gonna keep the floor mats, the old ones, but yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do. I gotta clean all the floor mats, so. And I gotta clean out my car. So I'm giving you guys a review for the floor mats. And I mean, I can give you guys a little review for my car. It's a 2025 Toyota Camry SE all-wheel drive, 232 horsepower. Oh, I have my key. There's my key. All right, man. So this is what we're gonna do. That's the second one. If you guys are enjoying the content lately, make sure you guys subscribe. You know, it is free. It takes 5 seconds out of your day. And if you want to see some more POVs on the way, I got you guys. The spoiler's coming eventually. I'm gonna probably do it after graduation. During May, I would say, because I do graduate in May. Oh. I'm having too many people in my car, you know. Sometimes people are dirty. I'm not a fan of that. And I did take off the red nose just now before we started. She's gonna get a car wash soon. I know some of you guys have been talking about it. All right, so we all good. Step 1's done. Step 2, unboxing. So let's use this key real quick and unbox this junk. Okay. These are rubber floor mats. So, you know, they used my code, or they gave me a code, and I didn't get I didn't have to pay. So, you know, your boy, you know, this is the 5th collaboration we got. Hopefully we get another collaboration in the future. But this is only the beginning. January 30th, 2026, fellas. Oh. So let's start. Let's start with this real quick. Let's see what this is. So this one will be, dang, that's a lot. Oh, this might be for the trunk. Yeah, this is for the trunk. Let me put this aside real quick. And let's start with the main stuff real quick. Okay. So this looks like, yeah. Okay, so this is LASFIT. If you guys want to check it out, I will drop it down in the link below, as you guys can see. But these are the stock Toyota Camry floor mats, and then these are the new ones from LASFIT Linears. Don't worry guys, I will show it to you guys. So let's just review these real quick compared to the old ones. As y'all can see, it says LASFIT Linears, their brand, and then Camry right there. These do look alike. They still look the same, normal. It's just a little better. But I'm gonna let you guys know how it feels, so we can get it, you know, get it cooking, you know what I'm saying? Get it cooking. All right, it's so bad through my finger. It was bad. Like, it was really bad. But that's what we're gonna do. Oh. Didn't mean to mess up the GoPro. But yeah, okay. Okay, so look. I don't know if y'all boys can see, but I just put it in there. The other ones, it didn't look like it looked good because number one, it's stock. Don't worry about the mess and stuff. I gotta clean it up. I'm gonna go to the store or I'm gonna go to the vacuum right after this. So it fits perfectly. That's first. Second is this one. I'm gonna put the second one on. If you guys want these floor mats, I can definitely send you guys the link. Okay, and it fits perfect. That fits perfect. Okay, now let's do the back, and then we're gonna be straight. This looks really sweet, I'm not gonna lie. If I were to rate it, actually, I'm gonna rate it when we get done. And later on, I'm gonna show you guys the back when I get back to the crib. Okay, so this is all one. So it reminds me of the Toyota Camry. So it's not just individual floor mats. Oh. Okay, so look, we just finished. So I'm gonna give it to you guys again. So this is the back floor mat. These are my old floor mats I had. So look, this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you. How do y'all, what y'all think? What y'all think? As soon as I put it in, they were perfect, fit perfectly. Nice, it wasn't really hard to manage. It wasn't really hard to do. Looked like a whole brand new car, you see? And it's rubber, it feels nice, smooth. It looks good with the car, I ain't gonna lie. Don't mind the mess and stuff, but I do gotta clean it up. But yeah, these fit perfect. Like, these are better than the stock ones I had. I'm not gonna lie, if you guys want to cop these, I would recommend it fully 100%. It is hella cold outside. But yeah, she's just gonna get a wash. I gotta get the tail off, so don't worry. She's gonna get a wash, and then I'm gonna just clean her out, and we're gonna be good. And we're gonna be looking straight. Floor mats. The floor mats are sweet. I like them. They fit perfectly. They fit nice. You know, perfect for my shoes. It looks like a whole brand new car. Don't worry about the back. I gotta get rid of the other stuff. But now we are gonna head to the vacuum cleaner, vacuum out my car and stuff. I gotta do my trunk later. So my other floor mat that I thought was the front of the floor mats, I'm gonna have to clean up my trunk. My trunk is dirty. So like I said, I'm about to head to the vacuum cleaner. It's not that far away from here, so that should be good. The GoPro did die, unfortunately, when I captured all that good footage. So that's what we're gonna do. I feel like it's off a little bit. Yo, I'm thinking, should I have this video included to the unboxing? Because this is a POV drive. What I was doing was what are we doing? Some slight big twizzies. Sorry, I'm acting a little sped right now. Once we pull up to the vacuum cleaner, that's going to be the end of the video. And hopefully you guys enjoy this video. I'm going to probably just keep it a little slight. But next week, I know I keep saying next week, but next week officially, gang. Officially, we're going to go to a new location. We're either going to go across the bridge, like in Norfolk or Virginia Beach, or we're going to go up to Yorktown or Richmond. Can't keep doing videos out here. It's like the same thing over and over again. Like, Hampton is a small area, but it's a big area at the same time. It's nothing really much to do over here. I'm trying to, like, show you guys sceneries, like, colors. Like, there's really no colors over here, so stay tuned for that. I feel like my camera angle on my phone, I'm probably doing it wrong. The GoPro was only at like 60%, so it wasn't fully charged. I would have got a fully charged video. Hold up. It would have been a fully charged video, but unfortunately it wasn't, so. But the camera quality on the phone is still beautiful and it's still amazing. So I'm gonna shut up now. I'm gonna give you guys an ASMR video for like maybe 2 minutes, and then that's gonna be the end. God bless. Hopefully you guys enjoy the weekend. Stay tuned for updates and live notifications that I post out, and we're gonna get it cooking for y'all boys. Hey, Twiz gang, the Only Carter. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys stop and drop a heart in the comments if you made it this far. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. God bless. Have a great weekend. Stay safe, stay warm. I know you guys are, I don't know if you Virginians are ready for this Arctic snowstorm part 2. But hopefully this time that we do get lots of snow, because I am from Cleveland and I really want it to snow really, really bad here, so you guys can experience what it's like to have that type of snow. But I'm gonna do enough chatting. Hopefully you guys did enjoy these videos that I made, the unboxing video and the POV drive that I did. I'm gonna catch you guys next week. Rock out, stay safe, Twiz out. The Only Carter out. I'll see y'all.